Everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Mason Jar Garage. Today we are going to hopefully pick up a 1977 Pontiac Bonneville Safari Wagon. The guy's not too far away. He's only about 10 miles from here. We're just leaving straight out of my work, so we're going to get on the road, and if I'm able to film anything while I'm there, I will. But more than likely I'll just be showing it to you once we get it loaded and back home. Alright, we have made it home. Actually made it home night before last, but it was rainy yesterday, so I didn't get to do anything. But here is our 1979, as I found out from the VIN, Pontiac Bonneville Safari Wagon. This is a 9-passenger, which is just fantastic. It's a little rough. Neither of these passenger side doors open. The tailgate here doesn't open, but the driver's door opens. So we got that going for us. I'd really like to get that front passenger window up, but we can't get the door open to get to it. So we're going to give this thing a quick bath. I bought it from a guy locally who's had it for a few years, and he got it from a guy who said it had sat for like 25 years, so it's been sitting for almost 30 years. I don't know what the mileage is on it yet. I haven't looked. Let's see if we can find out. That's as far as I can open this right now. I'll stick you in there. Maybe we can see it somewhere. Maybe not. I know currently I'm not crawling in it. We're gonna get some bug bombs to throw in it and let that do its thing. Looks like it used to be a wood panel. There's still traces of it here and there that haven't fallen off yet. Or, I'm sure it wasn't actually wood, but right here, probably just the finish on it. Right there, yeah. Just a little laminate, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera over to Kelly and start giving it a bath. Oh yeah, I guess we need to turn it on.
That may have been just a car you've been washing away. Some dirt.
Yeah, maybe. Huh?
The wheels don't look terrible.
No, they look really good,
There's a
actually.
few scuffs, but I mean,
Yeah, those are going on the Lemans. And the ones I got for the Lemans are going on this. Man, it's dirty. Now I'm dirty.
that one barely has a scratch on it.
Mm-hmm. The one and only tire that is actually on the bead and holds there.
Somewhat intact.
That opens.
Yeah.
So we got two that open. Oh, it doesn't shut.
Yeah.
Oh, it's missing the rubber around the strike. Stand back.
Yeah. You got wagon stink on our ride.
It's like the grime just comes off in layers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, two mail trucks.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's as good as it's going to get for now. Going to do a whole walk around on it. I'll get the roof once it's down off the trailer. Spider!
Kind of wait for it anyway.
All right, everyone. I got busy and forgot to film an outro for this, but I appreciate you watching. So the plans for the Safari Wagon here, as long as everything seems solid once we're able to get inside of it, is to actually put it back on the road. I originally was going to buy it for the engine and trans, but then the gentleman that added only wanted $100 more for the whole car. So I would really love to put this thing back on the road and maybe have this be the vehicle I take to Pontiac Nationals next year, since the Lemans is so far off from being on the road. But let me know what you think in the comments. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And ring the bell if you want to be notified when new videos come out from my channel. Thank you to everyone who watches, and I appreciate it. Bye.
Mason jars on dusty shelves and to save us now. Neon lights flicker hard, shadows dance aloud. Rusty tools on memories, we share the scars. In this garage we raise hell, fixing cars.